Okay, this is like, this vlog, I think it's going to be the last one before our wedding. So over the next week, it's going to be like mega mammoth wedding prep. Kicking off with today going to get my hair done. So I'm going to go and get kind of like, yeah, my roots blended in, a light touch of balayage by Samantha Cusick at her salon in Fitzrovia. I was kind of nervous having my hair kind of changed so close to the date, but also it's for the best because it means I still have time to get used to, like, it always takes me a few days to get used to new hair, even if it's what I wanted. Yeah, it also means it's not too far away that my roots will be like growing out. I'm just going to take a hay fever pill. I found these hay fever pills in the pharmacy and I've never seen them before, so I thought I'd get them and try them, because normally this medicine called fexofenadine is only available by prescription, but I found it in a chemist on a shelf. I don't know if it's like the like less strong than the other ones, but G's actually got fexofenadine prescribed by a doctor, so it'd be interesting to compare the kind of ingredients of these ones to his ones. So I'm gonna take one of these. They're quite a lot bigger than my normal hay fever pills. Normally I get the hay fever injection. It's called Kenalog. You have to pay for it privately these days because, well, they used to give it out on the NHS when I was a teenager, like doing my GCSEs, but they don't prescribe it anymore. I think it's just too expensive, and also it's a steroid, so it does have some side effects, but I've decided not to have that this year and see if I again can go without it like I did in the first lockdown. I just don't want to risk any side effects before the wedding. I am so excited for a little bit of pamper today. I think it'd be really nice. I'm excited to potentially finish my book. I'm so nearly finished with Ariadne, so that's great. Let me put my coat on. Oh, I need to leave like now. I also really like my outfit today. I'm just wearing this kind of crochet old granny top I got from a charity shop, a really old kind of Topshop cropped baggy cardi that definitely needs a bit of steam, and then also my Betty Draper trousers, and I'm going to add on my trench coat. I actually, in last week's vlog, I think I showed the short trench coat options from Arquette, and I did actually purchase one online, so that should be coming soon. I just really was excited about, like, for the depths of summer to have a, like, not so long trench coat. I feel like this long one is quite transitional, but it would be nice to have a kind of shorter, casual one as well. My hair, I am obsessed, but I've popped into Bravissimo to try on some bras. I haven't had my boobs measured in about 10 years, so I'm trying on some non-wired bras because I don't like the feeling of the wire underneath. I am a 30F and I really like this style. It's non-wired but still has a little bit of cleavage that you can kind of play around with, so yeah, I might get this. I am home finally. I'm just obsessed with my hair. Let me show you. It is so perfect. It's just had the tiniest bit cut off of the ends, and Sam, I told her I really wanted to keep my roots but just blend them in a bit more with a couple of like highlights, and she did exactly that. It is so nice. I love how it's been styled as well. Just love Sam. Really recommend her if you guys are after, oh god, my camera's not balancing, if you're after some sort of balayage, highly recommend. It's not even showing. And then I popped into Bravissimo because I've heard loads of people talking about how it's really good for like measuring the boobs, and also just caters to a load of different boobs sizes and bra styles. I got measured. I think I'm a 30F or a 28 double F, but I didn't end up picking or buying any. Oh, Maurice. because I don't know, it was quite busy and I felt the service wasn't that great for me, so I just like, I don't want to rush a purchase, so I thought I'd have a look online and see if they've got any styles online that I like the look of. Popped into Co-op on the way home and picked up a quick sandwich. I haven't really eaten today, so I'm ravenous, so I'm gonna have some lunch whilst I edit last week's vlog. This guy Maurice, what's going on? You want attention because I've been out all day? I think that's what the problem is. Standard cat behaviour, just like a permanent tail in my face. Today's Friday. I feel like I'm wearing such a big dad blazer today. I need to show you this new blazer. I'm just wearing my thermals underneath it because it's so cold. Yeah, today is officially the start of wedding prep. So I'm having a facial. I'm having my fave hydrofacial at the Cavendish Clinic in Fitzrovia. So yeah, I'm just like heading there now. Look, I feel so rough today with no makeup on, but I'm looking forward to having really glowy skin afterwards. This is my skin before, and I'll show you it after as well. I'm home with the most glowy skin. Let me try and show you. I don't know if you can see, but it is so glowy. She went to town on trying to squeeze all my spots, which was so painful, but yeah, I'm hoping that means for the next week my skin will just be so nice and yeah, glowy and perfect. She ordered me a lovely little salad to get home to. I always have tortilla chips in mine, which isn't particularly healthy, but it does add a nice bit of crunch, and also some beetroot, sweet corn and chicken. I'm cooking a gusto dish tonight for dinner. It is a Spanish style herby cod and crispy chorizo stew. Looks quite good, that, although it does have parsley on it, which is the devil's food, so I've added like a pinch when it should have been a whole sprinkle. I feel like this vlog, just FYI, my mind is going to be, oh god, yeah, my mind's going to be a bit preoccupied. Like I sometimes find it hard to oh god, that looks so good, produce a good vlog or be like chatty when I'm preoccupied, and I definitely am this week. There's just so much going on in my brain at the moment. But yeah, I'm hoping that after the wedding I'll be much more present for you guys and be able to have more chats with you all. Look how good this cod looks. Lovely, lovely and buttery. So I'm going to serve this now. Also just wanted to show you guys this. I got some new glasses. These are the Manhattan kind of tumbler glasses from a company called Duralex. We love cocktails in this house, and I really wanted some nice glasses that we could use for cocktails, but I was too excited to try one, so I poured us some wine in a glass. Look how beautiful they are. Like the detail on them is so nice. All these little ridges, they just feel really kind of sturdy and luxurious, so love that. Can't wait to make an old-fashioned in one of those. Ready for some stew. No, I'm just so clumsy. This looks so good. Maurice, when he knows he might, there might be a chance of him going outside. Look how excited he gets. Maurice, you want to go out? You want to go out? Yeah? Come on then. There we go, good boy. It's cold. It is Tuesday. I've got my thermal jacket on because even though it's sunny today, I can tell it's still warming up. Today I have my brow and lash appointment before the wedding, so I'm going to get HD brows and Novu lashes. Yeah, it's getting really hard to like concentrate on work and stuff, so taking it easy, just doing some editing. I'll be able to like make some content tomorrow when my brows and lashes are looking great. Although you're not supposed to wear any like makeup for 24 hours after, so maybe it'll be Thursday that I do have my content day. Okay, I am leaving for my brow and lash appointment. Let me quickly show you what we're dealing with. So yeah, brows just need a good old shape. They get unruly so quickly, and then for lashes, yeah, it's just gonna look better than this. It needs some more volume. From the side, I'm very excited. I am home. I am so happy with my brows and my lashes. Let me show you. So I ended up going for lash extensions, Novu lashes. I went for a classic, and she also put some SPF lashes in. Alright. She's got what she sounds, he's got chicken all over him. Yeah, I loved the last lashes she did on me, but I found that they were so kind of natural and wispy looking. I couldn't really see them when I was wearing makeup on, and I kind of like that spiky look I get when I wear mascara on my bottom lashes. So she tried to recreate that by putting some like different levels and different layers, so they'll be more striking when I'm wearing my wedding makeup. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. And then HD brows, I had them waxed, threaded, plucked, tinted, tweezed, and they're looking great. He also gave me some tips on how to kind of fill them in on the day. I feel super glam. I'm just hoping that they last now until the day. And then on the way home, I've been really enjoying going to our local like independent corner shop and getting some fresh fruit and veg, because they've got some such gorgeous stuff in. So today I picked up for a little fruit salad for dessert these gorgeous strawberries. Have you ever seen such gorgeous perfect strawberries? I'm really excited about that. Got a melon and apple because I fancied apple with peanut butter, and my fave watermelon. Guys, it is the night before the wedding. I'm freaking out. I'm going to give you a little room tour of the bridal suite at the hotel we're staying at. I've obviously got this to myself for tonight, and she's got a separate room, and then he'll be kind of, yeah, moving in here for the second night, or the night of the wedding. I can't really talk, I'm just so excited and nervous. It's been so weird, like up until yesterday, it hasn't really felt like it's happening. Like, it's felt really surreal. Like, I know it's coming, but I haven't been able to feel that excited about it because it's just felt quite stressful. But yesterday I started getting very nervous. Really nervous to walk down the aisle. I think as soon as that bit's over, I'll be absolutely fine. But yeah, it's been so nice today walking around the hotel and like bumping into bridesmaids and groomsmen and family, and yeah, it's starting to feel very real now. So we've got drinks and dinner booked at the hotel restaurant bar if anyone wants any food at 7 o'clock tonight. And then yeah, the wedding's in the morning. So I wanted to give you a room tour. We're staying at the Tower Hotel. It is very close to the venue, which is Walton's Music Hall, which is my dream wedding venue. Literally ever since I first went there a long time ago, I dreamt about getting married there, and I can't believe it's actually happening. But yeah, we're staying at the Tower Hotel, which is next to Tower Bridge. Let me give you a look at the suite. So you come in through this door, and we've got quite a weird little hallway here, but this is going to be great for hair and makeup. Like, I can imagine makeup all set up here, natural light from this window. The view from this hotel is insane. I'll show you, I'll save that. And then you've got kind of two hallways. So in here we've got the bathroom, and then into the bedroom. Very nice, and the view from the bedroom is just you couldn't make it up. That's the bar we're having drinks at tonight, part of the hotel. You can see everyone's rooms here, which is a bit weird. Oh, this view is everything, because fun fact, when G and I first met, he lived in this flat, and you can see it from this room. And yeah, I fell in love with him around this area, so it's very important to us. So yeah, he lived in this building here. Where's my finger? This building, he lived in there. Imagine living there and seeing that every day. Is incredible. Tower Bridge is like my favourite London landmark, and to get married, like, I'm going to be walking out here in my dress in the morning. I'm freaking out. Beautiful, got the city over there. And then we walk through to the other side, and we have a little living room and a kitchen area as well. There's like a hob and an oven and everything. I've got all my presents for my bridesmaids and bridesman here. I think they said that there's a mini bar and it's complimentary, although there's not much in it, to be honest. And then yes, we've got a little sitting room, and then a view of kind of St. Catherine's Dock here. which again is gorgeous. It's perfect time for mudlarking right now, kind of, just out there. Yeah. So I need to steam my dress, which I've got in this cupboard, and then I can get ready and join everyone for drinks. I've got an outfit for tonight. I'm gonna feel definitely a bit dressed up, I think. No one else is really dressing up, but I'm the bride, so I'm allowed to. I can't believe this view, I'm freaking out. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about the wedding, let me know, and I will make loads of content about the little things that we did to make it very personalised, the traditions we broke, and of course showing you and sharing our day with you as well. So yeah, see you soon.